4K now, which is gonna be better, I hope. The current resolution is, I mean, isn't that 4K resolution? Yeah, 4K resolution is 3840 by 2160. So, you know what? I'm pretty sure that that's the resolution that it should do. I don't know why it's only streaming at 380. I'm really sorry it's only streaming at 360. That's really weird. I don't think it should do that. I think it should work. Maybe. Like if I like incognito this, should it work? I think it'll work. Let's see. Bam. Yeah, it's encoding at 1080p, so it should be fine. I'm gonna try to scale the output at 4K just because I think it'll be easier to edit. Because these screens are individually 1080, but when you zoom in, if you're gonna pan in, then you want to have the pixel density, right? So, I'm thinking if I maybe move this a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I think that looks good. And that's kind of, I guess, how it'll work. Yeah. Cool. Alrighty. Hope you guys are excited, because it's gonna be a freaking awesome day. Back to you. Alright. I know that you'll be back. There's a lot of stuff. It looks like it's about to do some crazy stuff. Dude, I think these guys might be shorting iTub. There's been a lot of activity on the stock lately. I think these guys are thinking it's gonna go to like 2. And if they are, on the chance that that's correct, the upside on, I'm thinking, July puts. Dude, holy shit. Amex lost 76% of its quarterly profits. Oh my god. Dude, these banks are fucked. They don't have anything to put their overnights in. Their overnights are getting zipped because of the Fed rates. So, oh my gosh. This is crazy. Alright, check this out. $3 puts on iTub are 10 cents. And the $2 puts are a penny for June. And you can get September's for 25. I think the play is June, though. I think really you're looking at June puts on iTub. Dude, that could be a lot of money. The 40 cent, I mean, this is actually really nice. You got the bid at 5, the ask at 10. I think you could get an average fill price of 8. Dude, I think these guys are dumping Brazilian banks. And if they are dumping Brazilian banks, then this shit could go to 2 like no one's business. I mean, 2, 180. I mean, hell, even $1.40 isn't that far off for these guys. If they stop paying a dividend, I mean, they'll get screwed. It's not even a question, right? 3 shares to 2 shares is a forward split. They had a forward split, right? Which is good, but dude, I mean, these guys could be a $2 stock. I mean, that's not out of the realm of possibility here. It really isn't. So I might be looking at some $3 puts here on iTub. Let me get a piece of paper. I got a love for you. Alexa, what number month is June?
June is the 6th month of the year.
Alexa, what number month is July?
July is the 7th month of the year.
Okay, so ideally there would be July puts, but there's not. Alexa, what month is September?
September is the 9th month of the year.
Yeah, so
In
that's
2020,
a big
it starts
play.
on a Tuesday and is 130 days away.
130 DTE. Oh no, I got a little thingy on it. Ha! Got it. Sometimes you get a little bit of lint, and it's always hard to get it off sometimes. Usually. But I think I got it. It's usually not in the pen. God, I love fountain pen. Okay. Yeah, I think that could be a solid play right there. Yeah, good upside. I got a love for you. Inside who we are. Okay. Okay. So there's a lot of people buying Zoom puts. I saw Zoom going up a ton yesterday and people were buying Zoom puts too though. So like people bought Zoom puts yesterday. I was on a different account and I was trading this wedge right here. Excuse me. And it's a little bit easier to see on the 5-minute chart. Basically what happened is I got in this trade and I had a little bit of a nicer wedge than the one I drew. But basically like the play was this is a wedge. And so I saw a lot of people buying like 158 puts expiring on Friday. And I was like, shit, they're just going to go down, right? So I bought puts here, went down a bunch, then it reversed on me, which screwed me over. And then I stopped out, obviously. It just kept going up for the rest of the day. So I'm thinking downward wedge is usually bullish, but there were puts, right? So I was looking at unusual options activity and I saw that. Something that could either be a play, which is possible, or it could be a hedge, which is possible, or it could be someone doubling down on yesterday. The value is like, you know, it's the 155 strike again, which is like what I'm saying. Like people were betting that this shit's gonna go to 155 by the end of the day. I mean, that's a ballsy bet, dude. I don't know how much of that was from yesterday, but I mean, if I just look at the chain for Zoom, 0 DTE at 155. The last trade price on here is 35 cents. And these are at, 35 cents, 40 cents. So that means people were buying these up until the end of the day yesterday when Zoom was at 170. And now they're at 177 pre. So, like, if this shit moves to 155, I mean, you're talking about the 170 puts being worth, I mean, that's 300%. And the 165s will be worth, 10, that's 500%. I think the 155s would only go up by about 7. I mean, shit. I mean, if they're at 40 cents and ITM is probably 5, that's about 10x. I think you'd be a little bit better doing the 165s, maybe the 162.5s. The 162.5s have about 6x upside. So I might play those. I mean, that would be just such a crazy giant drop. I mean, that would be insane. That would be a lot, yeah. Alright, why don't we get everyone together? It's 9:18. Let's make this stuff happen.
Hey, this is Jake.
Alright, I guess everyone's not ready. It's okay. So, this would be a really, really big play if it worked out. And again, we're talking about the 162.5s. I mean, they've had swings like that before. I mean, not last Friday, but this stock does that stuff, you know. I mean, it would be big for sure. Whether or not it can happen, I mean, because it could also be somebody going long and hedging, right? And that's the thing, is if they're going long and hedging, the damn thing could go to 200. So it's like, it's an out there play. You've got to see confirmation on the SPY and on a VWAP cross, or else it's just not worth it. It's just not anything. You can't base it on that. But I like this as an M right here. Like, this could be solid. And I mean, if that happens, dude, I'm just saying, if that happens, I mean, you're gonna see our first price level here, probably like right here, and then your second deviation below VWAP right here, below the 200 MA at 277. So we'll see what happens. There's a good chance SPY goes to fucking 300 today. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Because they closed like right here the other day, and they were 284. So I mean, we'll see. We'll see. Either way, it's really nice. It's just, you know, which way is it gonna be, right? Whew. 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 Hey!
What's up, man?
Are you excited?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna bop in. What's up?
Yeah, I'm getting everything set up.
Yeah. I have Matthew and Kyle, okay? Alright, I don't know. Do you want to add Kyle, you think, or what do you want to do?
Do what?
Do you want, yeah.
What about him?
Do you want to add him?
Yeah, I thought that's what you were doing.
Okay, cool.
3 is better, too.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hey, Kyle, you excited to make some money?
Yeah.
Alright, let me merge these calls. Awesome, I did it.
Hello, Kyle. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, guys.
Be good, man.
Hey, there has been, like, a lot of people buying, like, 0 DTE puts on Zoom. And, like, I mean a lot. And I don't know if these are, like, people betting on it going down, or if it's people hedging long positions. But I've got, like, unusual options activity on 155 puts, on 165 puts. I mean, there's some serious people playing Zoom right now. I don't know what's up with it, but I'm just put it out there.
Yeah, I know somebody that did. Let me see his reasoning. Somebody shorted 500 shares, yeah.
I'm talking about like expiring tomorrow. I mean, it's like they're expiring today. I don't know like what the deal is with it.
Is it still in that wedge?
I mean, they went up a ton yesterday. I mean, massive.
And then look at that wedge.
On the 30-minute?
Just 80 to take 1 year.
1 year, got it. Okay. I don't know if I see it. What are you doing? Like 1 day candles?
Yeah. You must be blind then.
Apparently, I'm blind.
Wait, I'm talking about Zillow.
Oh, I'm talking about Zoom.
Okay, look at Zillow.
Okay, I'll look at Zillow. Yeah, everything in housing, dude. There's this proposition in New York that they don't pay rent for a year and they can't get evicted.
Zillow's a really good wage, man.
Yeah, a lot of stuff looks like that right now.
Yeah. What are you trading today? I'm looking at Zoom, Beyond, Boeing. You're gonna trade options today? No. Just day trading stock? Yeah.
He's good at that.
Hey, you don't take any fees for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, dude. That's a nice wedge. I mean, they could go to like, 12.
Wonder if they got the unusual activity.
I don't see anything on it. I see a lot of Tesla though. A lot of Tesla, a lot of Zoom, a lot of Guild.
Tesla's in a downward wedge the past 10 days.
Really? You think they'll break out today?
Yeah, they could go up to like, I don't know, you see the wedge?
I'm looking at it more so on like the 30-minute.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I like it. Let me
They'll
adjust
probably
this.
open up and test that over resistance, and we'll see what they do off of that. I mean, if they bounce down though, they could, go to 690 pretty quick. I gotta get the Shopify chart to see what I see on them.
Right.
But the last Friday, you say buy calls right at the open.
It did really well, yeah.
So
I'm thinking
maybe,
SPY. We'll see if SPY stays above VWAP at the open. Because they could do an M based on the pre-market.
Yeah, Tesla will be interesting because anything above like, I'm gonna call it, when it gets to 720, it'll be interesting.
Okay.
You're gonna keep an eye on Nvidia and Netflix.
Oh, you think Netflix will be a biggie?
I'm gonna keep a heavy eye on Tesla and Shop, and then
Okay.
maybe keep an eye on like Baba and Apple.
Yeah. That's a
You got more
plan.
screens than I do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you're thinking they break like 720, they'll go to like a 740?
Who?
Tesla?
Yeah, just keep an eye on it. I'm gonna definitely, yeah, be on the lookout.
Okay.
Because they're gonna open up a little bit up, not much though.
They're jerking crude on the news, so I'm thinking we might see SPY explode right here. But Zoom's still going down, so's Tesla. Yeah, dude, I think something's going on here with Zoom. I think the 162.5s have the most upside in terms of puts. If it goes that way. For Zoom, yeah. If it reverses, but yeah. It's still over VWAP. So we'll see.
Okay, yes, we'll see what it does here.
Yeah.
It's like about $1,000 to Tesla if you go into money here.
Okay.
Alright.
Big trade on Guild.
I swear, yeah, like you would think right now you should buy shop just from what they do like every Friday.
Yeah, they're just going down though, bro.
I know, but like every Friday they'll go down for like the first 10 minutes.
And then just explode? Well, shit, dude, if they consolidate and then cross back over VWAP, what are you thinking on that? You want to do like what? 635? You think 635?
I'm thinking 640 at the most, yeah.
I'm thinking like 640 target, 635 calls.
Yeah, 640 I would say would be the highest.
Okay.
I wouldn't think you get it this way to go.
Yeah, no, I'm just prepping it. Yeah. So the you got 640 calls is all you can get. And they got fat spreads, dude. I mean it.
Do they?
Yeah, you're looking at 100% spreads.
Jesus. The 630s have a tighter one.
I think you can get a better fill if you get on the bid.
Looks like they're about $4. And they're still going down, so
Yeah, they're still going down. Holy crap. Alright, Tesla's coming back towards VWAP. We'll see if stuff goes up or down. Dude, if stuff goes down, I might bop these zooms.
yeah, we'll see.
Do you see what I'm saying when I talk about, like look at the SPY 5 minute, like from 4 a.m. to right now.
Yeah, I see it.
You think that's an M?
Yeah, I guess it's not really sideways a little bit, but I mean, we're getting to the point where
I'm thinking it'll validate at 278 or 279.90 or like 280-ish.
yeah, we'll keep an eye on it.
Yeah. Because if that validates, dude, they'll go to lower VWAP plus like $1. They're talking about communications on the news. Alright, Baba broke VWAP. But dude, Nvidia just went below long-term support. They could reverse right here. This could be a reverse on everything right here.
That's what I'm thinking. Let's see if SPY holds up to, I think, yeah, like you said, 278 maybe.
What do you think makes sense to buy the most calls in?
I would say this early, you would do Tesla over Shop just because Shop, you know, spreads are so big.
Dude, Nvidia's got a nice setup on the 1 minute.
Okay.
I mean, that's a hammer reversal.
Just these SPY, they should maybe they'll hold up where they're at right now.
I'm thinking Nvidia 285 calls.
I'm not gonna pull the trigger yet. I want to see. I'm thinking about Tesla calls.
Okay.
Yeah, that might have been the bottom on
Yeah.
SPY.
Holy shit.
A little bit of a pullback was good.
Yeah, that's a 20% move on those calls, dude. I didn't get filled. But I mean, that's pretty solid. You said you're doing Tesla?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I mean, the calls just went down another $1.
Yeah. Yeah, holy crap, they're not doing what the market's doing for sure. I'm gonna see if the 5-minute validates an M or not, because I think they're breaking. I think we got a wedge on Baba. See, like, if I was in NVIDIA right now, I would totally oust half of it. So I'm thinking that's what most people are doing, because if you look at the SPY on the 5-minute, it's straight red. I think Zoom's in a wedge, about to break out. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna do Zoom puts, dude. Because this is looking really, really bearish.
I was holding that level. you get inputs?
I didn't get filled. I'm really trying to get the far out of the money Zoom contracts, but they're really, really cheap, so I might have to go closer to the money just to lower commissions and also to get tighter spreads. Because the 162.5s are just super cheap. So I'll do 175 puts.
Here's a key support level for Shopify.
At 614?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, these puts just doubled. I mean, it's kind of crazy. So we'll see. They just hit their target on the wedge. But I'm thinking Zoom. I'm telling you, they just hit the wedge target. So, like, I don't know if they're going to bounce or what. I missed the move for sure. That was 100% gain. But I'm thinking if SPY does this M, dude, it's going to take them another 15 minutes. But I'm like, Zoom could be a 165, 150 stock. Because they're still up on the day. So we'll see SPY. It'll bounce to 280.2. And like I said, it'll take a little bit of time. Unless it just explodes right here, dude. If this thing goes below 279, it's fucked. And I mean that hardcore. I'm not doing Apple. Yeah, dude. This stuff's going down. Baba broke down out of the wedge. That's it right there, dude. That's an M setup. So, let me see. Zoom puts.
Alright. Just don't chase it.
Well, I mean, I'm with you on it, but like, this is exactly what I was thinking is gonna happen. I mean, this is solid shit. Zoom hasn't fallen that much. So we'll see.
My chart won't even load on them. Is it ZOOM?
No, dude, ZM. The bottom, the predicted first stop bottom is at 278.8. And then the second stop's at 277.6. And I'm thinking we hit one of those, we'll bounce. Dude, look at Baba. That is some clean shit. I think Baba's got good plays on it if we bounce.
Wow.
Yeah, them or Tesla, dude. Either of those.
I know.
I'm telling you right here. 278.8's the next support.
So that validated the M?
Yeah, you bet your ass that validated the M, dude. That's 200% on SPY puts, easy. So, I don't know. I think this lower VWAP is going to help it, but I don't think it's going to stop it. So I'm going to give it 5 minutes. Because, dude, you and I have seen this. Like, in the morning, you'll have 100% movers. But when it gets to, like, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you have, like, 800% movers. So this is lining up to be nice.
Oh, yeah. We got good movement. That's what we want.
Anyway, Zoom just tripled again. So, like, I'm thinking, dude, like, I mean, like...
They did go down a lot.
Gotta get on the game, bro. Gotta get on the game. SPY's going to 277, 278.8.
How much were those inputs?
$2, $3. ATM. Don't worry about it. We can still play this. We still got money.
Wow.
It's okay. VIX is going up hard, dude. I'm telling you. SPY's going to 278.6 within the next 2 minutes. Hell, I'd make a bet on it if the puts weren't that much. But I got 3 trades, so we'll see. They're about $1. Yeah, dude, that's...
Tesla could go to 696 and then...
And then bounce, or what?
Yeah, I mean, that's in the free market, they went down to that.
Okay. Kyle on those M setups, right? Kyle! Kyle's gone. Someone sold the hell out of a Novio this morning, dude. I think stuff's gonna keep... We'll see. Maybe it'll reverse. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, we can't chase it.
Yeah, no. I'm 100% with you on that, dude.
If anything, buy puts when stuff like with Tesla when it hits this upper part of the channel here. I mean, that's the only thing I know to do. I mean,
because stuff can reverse, so we just gotta chill out and see what happens. VIX is going back down. Dude, do you think Shop hammered?
I mean, Tesla had the same thing.
Yeah, they're literally the same. Zoom did the exact same thing too. I think we could see reversal right here. What do you think?
I still think. Yeah, we could. Think that was a reversal? It could be a big trap though if you're getting calls right now.
Yeah, the M breakout point was at 279.86 on SPY. Everything, I mean, Shopify's at a resistance, Nvidia's at resistance, so we'll see. Dude, Nvidia just fucking broke VWAP. They're going to 287, dude. You're looking at 100% on those calls if they close over VWAP for the next 2 candles. And SPY reverses.
They're still got that resistance here. They're better to push down off of.
Right, yeah. I'm saying if they red green, or if they green red green.
Yeah.
They might not though, dude. Oh, they might not. SPY to 277. Let's see if it happens. You're watching shop?
Interesting, yeah.
Okay. I think, dude, I think Apple's a head and shoulder. And they just broke out. Ooh, can we catch it? Can we catch it? 277.5 puts. What do you think about that? I'm gonna hit it right now.
For who?
Apple.
Alright, I'll do Tesla. I get bid on 680.
I think I was too slow on Apple. Cause I missed most of the move.
Tesla, your mic about this.
That's hard, man. I don't see a good setup.
Downward channel.
I see the downward channel. Yeah. But your price target on that's like, I don't know, 695. It's not huge. Baba's going up big, dude. So SPY. Zoom just broke VWAP. This is crazy. Kyle,
Yeah.
what are you looking at?
Just lost a bunch of money on Zoom.
What happened?
Shorted it.
What? At the breakout of the wedge or what?
Wait, you short? You short, man? You got balls. That was not good. I was up and then I didn't take my profit and then it just spiked.
When'd you
I've
short?
never shorted. Is it like? I think it's crazy. Well, the S&P is coming down.
Yeah, everything's coming down. Everything's coming down.
Spiked. Now I wouldn't have lost that much money, but I sold when it broke VWAP.
Yeah, because it closed above.
What do you think, Jack?
Think on what?
That's what I mean. That's what you know.
Oh, Tesla. I got you.
I know. I'm looking at them big time. I'm thinking.
Are you still in?
I got out.
Okay. Gotcha. I'm gonna give it a second. Like I said, SPY's gonna go to 278.8, which they're at right fucking now. And if they break below that, they're gonna go to 277.6. There's about a 30% chance this is the bottom.
think if this thing reverses, they'll go to 715.
Okay. Okay. How much are the calls?
$3.
It's a lot, but okay. That's 500%.
They're probably at like,
Just give Spy like 5 minutes.
yeah, the 715 calls.
Oh, those are $3? Okay. Gee, Boing's a hard one to trade.
Oh, how many shares did you short?
Hey guys, I got a lot of action happening on ticker WLL at 152. I mean, this is like, I got calls, I got puts, I got dark pool, I got a lot of stuff on WLL.
I still want to see Tesla.
Alright, we'll see what Tesla does, bro. I'm with you. Let's see it happen. I'm watching Nvidia and they're straight up just sitting in a downward wedge like they couldn't even care less. Dude, this thing could break out at about 10:30. But it's gonna take a little tiny bit of time. I'm gonna look at WLL. Cause this stock moves, bro. They doubled yesterday. I'm thinking I could go to what, $1? Alexa, 15,000 times 14 cents.
15,000 times 14 United States pennies is 2,100 US dollars.
Alexa, 3,000 times 1.52.
Dude, ZM's at break
2,000
even
times
now.
1.52 is 4,560.
Yeah, so
How
that's...
many shares did you short, Kyle? What? How many shares did you short? 50.
No.
Dude, that is crazy.
No shit.
I've lost 3,000 a day before.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, that's a big position, but it's a dollar move on it, right? It's not like 30% like we're used to. I think Tesla broke out of that downward wedge. Kyle, I'm so sorry, man.
Yeah, that's alright.
Because Tesla's out of that trend resistance, dude.
Yeah, but the SPY keeps going down.
Yeah. Don't worry, dude. I'm telling you, they're gonna bottom at like 277.6. It's not a big deal. Just give it like some time. Nvidia just dropped out of their wedge. They're about to go down. I mean, they're gonna go down. What are they gonna go down? Nvidia is gonna go down to 279.84. So about $2. If you want to make a play on that, you can do the puts near the money. You'll make 100% on the 280s. Maybe 50, maybe 50%, 50%. Because it already broke out. Yeah, dude, SPY validated that like really, really well. I mean, that was a really good M setup in the pre-market. I've never seen anything like that. can do SPY puts right here with a 177.8 target, which is kind of aggressive, but not that aggressive. And those will go up about 100%. That's about a double your money trade right there. About a 25% risk. Just gotta make sure they don't break out. Crude's at 17 again. Are the markets gonna remain open?
Open for what?
Oh, I don't know. It's just that TD notification everyone gets.
What do you think here? David broke out?
Who? Oh yeah, the SPY. The only time, dude, they gotta get to the M breakout at 279.84 to break out. The only difference between these two price targets is a 1 deviation M and a 2 deviation M. So it's like you don't really know which one it's gonna be. I just can't wait. I just can't wait. All right, dude. Tesla just crossed. Nvidia's out of the downward. SPY could do it right here, dude. I like Nvidia calls. Yeah, I see that. I see that. That'd be nice. That'd be real nice. Nvidia did a hammer reversal. Or doji reversal, whatever. The news is all about markets going down. Dude, all day they've been jerking off about how it's gonna be the worst week ever. We'll see. Because Nvidia broke out, so we'll see. I think Zoom's doing a W.
You guys think Zoom's going up?
His SPY does an inverted head and shoulders here, yeah. I wouldn't trade a stock you lose money on. Some big news just came out about the Fed releasing lending data.
bear flag for Tesla, man.
Marcus going right back to that support level off the M. It could do 2 deviations, bro. The VWAP bands are expanding. I'm telling you, dude, if it bottoms, it'll bottom at 277.8. Or if it reverses here, then it'll go over VWAP. It's one or the other. I don't know which one. But dude, Zoom's doing a W. Like, look at that shit. Yeah, they're flat, dude. You think Zoom calls here?
I don't want to trade them.
Yeah, I gotcha. They're kind of pricey. It's a good setup though, man.
Wonder how BSGM's doing.
BSGM?
Dude, they're up 14%.
Oh, wow!
Did you get out of all yours?
Yeah, I fucking outed everything, dude. Dude, the 7.5 calls went up by a factor of 6. Holy shit.
Dude, KEM's up 3%.
Fuck. They're at fucking 27, dude. Ugh. We gotta right these wrongs.
Zoom.
Yeah, Zoom will go to 180.50, bro.
Would you have made money if you just stayed in?
Who?
You shorted them this good you got out, dude.
Yeah, if you short, like, that would be bad to stay in. You think this is a breakout on Shopify?
I don't know, man. Spot could go back down to 278.8.
Right. Alright, we'll give it 15 minutes. So you're telling me we should have fucking held like at least half of BSGM?
Dude, I'm glad I got it up.
How come?
I didn't know it was gonna go up 14%.
Yeah, me neither, man. Holy crap. Hit $9. I'm just wondering like what the play is on that. Because if you look at the range, it's like basically
There is
like...
no play.
Well, there is a play though, okay? So hear me out, alright? Maybe. There might be a play. If you look at the range on the wedge and you add it to like the breakout point, then you got our initial target, which was like $8. But if you add it to the peak, then you get like way more. You get like... You get about 850. So my target was 826. So I guess it was pretty close. Because this is pretty much where it was yesterday, plus like 10%. When it hit 826. It's just another 50 cents on it. So like, it's like...
Contracts didn't go up that much today.
Honestly, I think this is where the contracts were at yesterday at 826 because it's so close to expiration. Alright, anyway, Nvidia just broke out. Maybe, possibly. Dude, Tesla's holding over VWAP. But Zoom's fucking failing! I think it's short term, but dude, if they go below VWAP, they're done.
Dude, Tesla could be a good put play here.
You think puts on Tesla?
I think so, man.
Alright, how much are they? Yeah, no, I feel ya. The spy is definitely, yeah. I mean, I could do 3 700s. But, I don't know. I think we just gotta wait. Kyle, did I text you at BSGM?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Well, which one is
You
it?
texted me about USO.
Yeah, USO, but did I text you at BSGM?
No.
Damn it, Kyle. I'm so sorry, dude. I really apologize. I think I forgot, and I feel bad about it.
It's alright.
Dude, check out Baba's wedge. It's tight, bro. So you're thinking Tesla's in a bear flag?
They haven't really broke out of it yet, the flag, so...
Yeah, I mean, it's just in that channel. I don't know, bro. Stocks only go up. Cause Shopify's kind of in the same. It's like the same. Videos at VWAP, bro. This could like totally reverse right here. I mean, they're gapping over too. Do you think shop calls make sense or tests? Or I mean,
Just don't let this trap you, man.
all right, I'm with you. Let's not get trapped. I understand.
Still, market's only been up in 40 minutes.
I don't know, man. Usually Nvidia is a precursor, and that thing just broke out hard. Shop just broke out. I'm thinking Baba calls. Yeah, dude, I like these calls right here. Kyle, what do you think about Baba?
Let me look. I don't know. It's not really moving that much. I mean, I guess it's kind of been flat, so the market, if it comes up right here, it'll probably come up.
Okay, I got filled 15 on Baba at 205 calls. I'll do a stop at 64.
Just get downward wedge.
Yeah, it's a fucking nice down. Dude, SPY just fucking broke VWAP.
You got into 205s at what?
77. I'm gonna stop around 64. Target's like 205.72.
That's not good.
Tesla's over resistance at 714.
Damn, dude, I can't believe I brought 715 calls earlier and then when I got it on. What do you still like, Baba?
But yeah, I mean, I'm in. Hey.
I'm gonna take him over to get. She's got a little blood clot or something. She needs to get it X-rayed.
That's gross.
I know. So I'll.
Can you turn that on? On?
Oh, you need it on?
Thanks. On? Thanks.
This one turns on.
No. Thank you. Have fun.
I love you.
I love you. What are you doing? Why you turn that off?
What's that?
I'm still in Baba. Dude, everything's straight up. So we'll see. Video's starting to pull back. I don't get how Baba hasn't broken out. Do you think it makes sense to out half or hold full? Hey.
I think, I mean, they're holding in there, dude. I wouldn't get too antsy yet.
Yeah, I just don't want him to drop out. You're right, though. Because, like, if they drop out, like, that would be bad, right? I mean, I don't know if I can hold that, dude. That's bad.
Damn, Tesla went right to 715. I cannot believe that.
You think Alibaba?
I probably would.
Yeah.
But, I mean, they're not that expensive, so as long as you don't have a big amount of money, you should be fine.
I'm in 15 contracts.
Yeah, that's not good.
Alright, I outed it at 53. So we'll see where SPY goes for the rest of the day.
Yeah, good call getting out. Good call getting out of that. Wow, look at that wedge on Amazon.
Peace. I got a lot of people playing Beyond.
You're in a play?
No, I see. Ooh, see a lot of people in it though. They're doing calls, dude. Do you think that's like symmetric wedge?
BYND?
Yeah.
I guess you can call it that. I've never traded them. Remember, we're always better than afternoon on Fridays.
Huh?
We always do better in the afternoon.
Well, not always, but you know. Dude, it was weird. Baba was the only one out of like the 6 stocks in existence that didn't go up. I mean, it was like super weird. So, just bad luck. It's not a big deal. I had an original stop at 64 cents, but I canceled it, so I probably should have left it there. I just was wondering if the second candle was going to reverse after the big red. I like Beyond as a symmetrical wedge bull flag, dude. Targets like, you know, 116, 117.
Who?
BYND.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got 2 trades, so I'll be careful with it. Holy shit. Dude, I got more and more people. I think iTub's a sell. I think people are selling iTub. I'm looking at the $3 puts on June. And dude, I think those could be the play right there. Like, I'm gonna put some money in them.
I'm thinking about Tesla puts.
Everything looks like it's going up.
Wow, dude, look at Shopify. That is insane. I wonder what Baba's doing. It probably went straight up.
Not really, I don't know. I mean, they kind of bounced back, I guess.
That's when they'll go straight down now.
I don't know. The low is 47 cents. I sold at 53, so I'm kind of learning the way.
Yeah, I just don't like, I don't see any good setups.
Well, you can wait, don't worry about it. I might use one on Beyond and then hold the rest till like 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we need to watch shop, dude. They're gonna probably move some way
Okay.
later. Oh yeah, that's a nice wedge on BYND.
That's what I'm saying, dude. You can
But they're
get...
still in it.
Yeah, they're
What's
still...
your call, man?
I'm
You got a
thinking...
50-50 shot.
Yeah. Dude, I'm thinking 111 calls. Or I guess the breakout point's 112. So like 112 calls. They're really similarly priced.
They're 284.
Yeah, I mean you could do 5 contracts.
I'm watching a spy here to see what they do. Wonder how much the Tesla 700 puts are. $2.48.
Shop could go to like 635 today. There's no guarantee of it, but then you could buy puts. Cause Nvidia's going right up, dude. I mean, it's like straight up. It's a cup and handle setup. Target is Nvidia. Target's 289.
Handle, dude. I haven't heard of one of those in a while.
I know, me neither, bro. But I'm looking at it right in front of me.
Dude, that is cool. Yeah, that's a couple.
You think you want to make a play on that?
No.
No. Dude, that'll go to 289. That's fucking cool. I haven't seen a cup and handle like ever, man.
Let's see if it validates.
Dude, it totally validates. Look, I only have 2 trades, bro, but like, I mean, that's a $5 movement. You get 287 calls, dude. They'll double. It's high risk. I mean, I don't know. That's cool, man. I haven't seen a cup and handle in a while.
I'm thinking about Tesla's 700 puts.
Well, why would you do Tesla puts if Nvidia's going up? Because Tesla's in the same thing, dude. That could also be a cup and handle.
Okay, we'll watch it.
Like, if that thing breaks, like, 715, I mean, you're looking at a target if it's a valid cup and handle, which, I mean, it's out there, but, dude, that's going to give you a target of, like, 726.
Alright, get your orders ready.
I'm making the play on Beyond. Because if Spy's over VWAP, too.
Dude, that is crazy.
Yeah, man. You in the trade?
No, I can't get fuel. Tesla just went up like $5.
Gotcha.
Dude, I bought Tesla calls earlier to 715 calls, but I got out. I bought them for $3.
Like, before they went down?
I bought them at like when they were trading like 702.
Damn! It was hard to tell back then.
Yeah. That is a big move, dude. You were right, that was the bottom. Damn, Tesla went way up, dude. Did they break that resistance from that downward wedge? Yeah. They did it right on it. The market just did a cup and handle. It's just a setup. Look up Tesla, that's a cup and handle.
Yeah.
Don't you think, Jack?
Yeah.
What is the price target on cup and handles? The bottom of the cup?
Yeah, add it to the top. You're looking at 726.
Wait, you go, so the top of the cup 715, the bottom is 700? Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Just in 1 minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 day. So then my price target would be 730.
Yeah, I see 726.
Tesla went off of that pretty good, John.
What do you mean? I'm in calls.
For Tesla?
Beyond.
Alright, let me check them out.
Well, I mean, it's the same thing. I mean, you can trade Tesla. It's a cup and handle. Because you do from the bottom to the top. I mean, you do the bottom of the cup to the top of the cup. And he's added to the top, dude. It's a 726 target. I mean, based on my math.
Yes, and then Shopify hasn't broke their cup and handle yet.
Shopify is a W. It's different. Nvidia's validating cup and handle. I got stopped. No, I got stopped out.
That's good. Yeah, look at Shopify, dude. That's pretty good resistance, I would say. good setup, man, for today. Wow. That's the calls here, man.
I only have one trade left, so I'm gonna save it.
Okay. And if we do the shop, you can buy multiple contracts, but you have to sell them at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, I think Nvidia validated the cup and handle better than Tesla did. It's in a really tight wedge right now.
Hello?
It,
Go. Yeah, I don't know, man.
I'm out of everything.
Yeah.
Excuse. I'm kind of curious if Beyond's gonna make it or not.
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a tough one.
I mean, it broke out, just didn't continue. Yet. I don't know, we'll see. Because that's a lot of people buying Beyond calls. Could also be people selling them though, so I don't know.
Look at this 610 Shopify text.
Okay. Like $2.
I know they hit the high of the day, like they hit the what they were opened at, so and they had gone over there.
Right.
Is that 610? Is that reasonable or?
Yeah, that's reasonable.
Because last Friday they had a big run up into. All right, so they had a big run up in the morning, and then they went down, and then they went back up. Whereas now they went down, up. So they probably go back down.
Right.
It's more logical, I guess, based on what we saw last week. So if they go back to like 626.5, I might think about it.
I mean, they could go to 635 by noon. Yeah, dude, I got more people selling iTub.
What is that?
They're that bank in Brazil. They're down 9% today.
Yeah, so I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, I don't know.
Let me call you back about 11:30. I'm gonna go eat lunch.
Okay, that's a plan, dude.
Alright, we'll call you then.
Okay.
I think we're good. You got one trade, just wait.
Yeah. Well, you think wait till 11:30 or wait till like 1?
I mean, we'll call it. I mean, I'll call you and then we'll just see what we got. But
Okay.
Shopify looks like it'll be pretty good.
Right.
As long as they just don't tank here soon.
Yeah.
So, but you can always add, to your position
Right.
multiple times. So I'll give you a call.
Okay, thanks, Jake.
Alright, see ya.
Alright. How you doing, Kyle? Kyle, you done? What are you doing? Alright, I think Kyle, I don't know what to do, Kyle. Let's see. There's a lot of stuff going on with iTub. Like, I don't know what's going on with these guys, but it's like pretty big. So, I'm gonna put some orders in on them. I also want to put some swing orders in on Win. So let's see, they're down 1% today. Trying to figure out, like, the market goes up till noon, then they'll probably go up a little bit more. And the highest they're gonna go is, probably right about, 78, 80. And besides that, like, it's pretty solid play. So, yeah. I mean, SPY is below VWAP, so I'm gonna snap some win puts for, like, probably, like, May. I mean, it should be, like, by May, probably May 15. So I'm thinking like what, May 15s. I guess I could spread it out. So we'll do maybe like one close and then one like probably like 38 put on the May 22nd. Maybe like 50. Yeah. Why don't we do a 64 put? Well, they're kind of up a lot today. Let's look at the chart. Yeah, they're right at VWAP, and they're doing what the market's doing. So, I'll put an order in for 64 puts at like 3.6. I mean, I don't know. I just don't like that strike. So I like 50. I just like 50. The 50s are like super cheap though. So maybe like, 57 puts might be the play. Yeah. I'll see if I can get filled on 59 puts at 220. And see how that works out, I guess. I also bet you there aren't a lot of players in ITUB, so I could probably fake these guys out if I cancel my bids. Nah, these are the people trying to buy. Alrighty. Let's see. I don't know if it makes sense to get in today or what these guys are doing. We'll see. I don't know, that could also be like people exiting their orders, right? So like they short it like 412, which is where it was at a couple days ago. And then they outed it like 365, and that might have actually been the play. It was a much smaller play. You could do 50% on it with the puts, but you had to pick a direction first. It was hard to pick a direction. So I guess I just can't tell if these guys are adding, or if instead of adding, they're closing. So that's a tough call. Today's not been great so far, so we'll see if we can make it up in the afternoon. But it's not a big deal. It's not a big rush. What was the first one? First one was Baba. did 15. Let me calculate the commissions on that just because it is kind of a bigger trade. It's like 20 bucks. Okay. So the fill is at 77. And the close is at 53. So if I do like 52, that'll pretty much factor in the commission. The target, what was the target? The target is here, so that would be like, what was it? It was 205 calls. So yeah, they would have been like 3 probably. And I tried to set the stop at 64, but I totally messed that one up, so not a big deal. Okay. Beyond. Damn, I've had a lot of stuff reversed lately. That hurts, man. Oh well. 400 at 345. The target here was a little bit harder to calculate. When I got out at 259, that was way below. I got a bad, well, I didn't get a bad feel, it moved really quick at the breakout. So that's kind of my fault. Yeah, but it reversed. You could have gotten in puts on that and probably made about 150-200%. Fuck. And I usually if I get out of a losing trade, it's really a lot of times it's actually a really good chance to get in a winning trade just by doing the opposite of what I just did. So for example, with Baba, right? I got out of a losing trade here, and if I just bought puts, it would have done really well. Same thing with Beyond. I got out of a losing trade here, and then if I just bought puts, it would have done really, really well. But I only have 3 trades, right? So when I only have 3 trades, it's like, fuck, because it's harder. Because if you're wrong, and then you want to play the other side of it, that's 2 trades, and now you only have 1 trade left for the whole day, so you can only trade 2 stocks. And it's just hard. So alrighty, well, I mean, these are both about 30%, so I mean that's kind of what I was expecting on them. That was the risk on them. The upside was about 100 to 150%, so it's about what I expected. So I'm good with that. It hurts with bigger positions, but you gotta pay to play, so you gotta just kind of work with it. So we'll see. See, there's a big trade later today or not, and there is or there isn't. So we will wait. I'm gonna probably. I mean, this is gonna go down. I could continue streaming, or I mean, I don't know what you guys want to do. It's just gonna be a waiting game until about 12 o'clock, 12:30 for the next hour and a half. So yeah. I don't see much going on. So I'll probably go, and then we'll come back at the end of the market, and that'll kind of be the big time where we see what's going on. So with that said, thank you guys so much. Unless there's anything going on here with Zoom, I will see you guys later today. I think this could be a really big wedge for like a whole day, and if it is, then that could be a really nice trade. I haven't traded these guys yet, so yeah, that could be nice. I like it. So that's at about 12 o'clock. So like I said, I'll kind of come back to you guys here at about 12 o'clock. And I mean, this Zoom play could be big. If these guys go to like, you know, if you look at this historically, and I don't know if the play is going to be Zoom or not, but I'm just thinking, okay? If we look at, you know, historically, I'll tell you if I get filled an iTub or not. Excuse me, but with Zoom. You know, 150 is not like a particularly far away target for these guys. They were at 150 like literally yesterday. Okay, so I just want you guys to understand, 155, 150 would not be an unreasonable target. It really wouldn't be. I like this wedge. I think they break out of this wedge. Your target on the breakout aggressively is at 169. But I mean, they break through that. I think these guys go straight down. Partial fill. I can only. So here's the deal, okay? I get in this trade. I can only sell once. I got 1 day trade. I got one out. I have one, and I am done. So it's like I basically have to time the bottom as best I can, because that's the only way I get out of the trade without freezing the account, right? So that's all I can do, okay? With that said, I think they break 169. You can see them going right down here to this resistance, right down, or this support, and then if they break through that to this support. So it's a really big move. If they go to 169 from 170, I mean, that's like a $8 move. And I'm thinking at the end of the day, these puts are going to be about $1, and so that's going to be some really good upside for the 175s or the 170s. In those 170s. So we'll see what the prices look like. You know, when it gets closer to closing time. I think Zoom could be the play here. I also think there could be other plays here. So I'm gonna come back in a couple of hours, and we're gonna make kind of our last trade here, and that'll be that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you got a ton of value, and I will see you later, where hopefully we can actually, you know, crush it, because this is a 10x trade right here. So I'm hoping that turns out well, and we'll kind of see how it goes. So yeah, it should be solid. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.